Alright guys, so today I finally picked up a CZ Scorpion, my CZ Scorpion. So we'll do a little unboxing video because I am super pumped about this guy. Alright, here we go. There she is. See, this guy here says, attached to the stock to this firearm constitutes the making of an NFA item, or excuse me, an NFA firearm, and requires compliance with all applicable local, state, and federal laws. Roger that. We know they're talking about you put a stock on this guy without registering as an SBR, you're violating the NFA. So, you know, we know that. But I prepared for that, and I already had ordered an SB Tactical folding Scorpion. So I've got this guy, which I'm going to throw on. I'm going to throw on this guy momentarily. I also went ahead and grabbed two ETS 30 rounders. So again, the brace and these ETS magazines do not come with it. So we'll get back to what comes with the rifle. Oh, excuse me, what comes with the pistol, because this is considered a pistol. Comes with two 20-round magazines here. Nice, very good. Two of these guys comes with that. Comes with a lock. Cool, cable lock. I don't use locks. We don't use that. Okay, there's that, and it comes with a nice little cleaning kit. Got some oil, some kind of like oil, lubricant, whatever. Got a nice Allen key there. One of these boys. Nylon brush. I see a bore snake. Some of those nice swabs. That's good. It's very nice of CZ to supply that with the firearm. Nice of them. What else? What is this? Huh. Okay, I don't know what this is, in all honesty. I don't know what that is, but it comes with it, whatever it is. Again, two 20-round mags and the firearm. So let's handle the firearm a little bit. Safety, ambidextrous. The infamous stock safety, because you know, on the left side, excuse me, the right side of the firearm, this thing is known for digging into the shooter's finger here. So we're gonna fix that. Ambidextrous magazine release. That's good. And then this is a bolt release right here. Non-reciprocating charging handle. You can lock it to the rear. Load it like kind of like an MP5 and HK slap it. So yeah, I'll show you the bolt catch. All right. So the bolt is locked to the rear, obviously, and I'm gonna drop the magazine out. So, with the bolt locked to the rear, you can use this to release the bolt by sliding that down, and there we go, round chambered. But you can also lock the bolt to the rear by putting it up in that cut like that, right? Giving her an HK slap. Pretty satisfying. I have to do that again. Very good, but yeah. Oh, shoot. Forgot to mention, this thing comes with iron sights too. How great is that? Beautiful little gun. Beautiful. Feels great. I know a lot of people complain about the grip angle, but I'll be honest, it doesn't really bother me at all. And if it does bother you, you can always switch it out for, you know, one of those shallower grip angles. The Magpul, Yeti Works, they make some, but I'm probably just gonna honestly leave this standard grip on it. I'm not even gonna buy an aftermarket ambidextrous safety delete. I'm just gonna take a Dremel and Dremel that piece off, because you know, it's free doing it that way, and I'm pretty handy. So I'm just gonna Dremel that off, so this little damn thing isn't digging into my finger here. You can see it right there, right? So when it's on fire, right there, no big deal. But we're gonna put this brace on it too, and I'm just looking forward to that. But there's your unboxing video of the CZ Scorpion. I'm very excited about this gun. I'm very happy with it. I am definitely part of the CZ fan club, CZ Scorpion fan club. All right, so here's the Scorpion Evo in its current configuration. I've got the folding stock on it, SP Tactical folding stock on it, and I've got a holographic sight on it as well. So turn this guy on. See if we can see through it here. And hopefully you see that a little bit. I fucking love EOTechs. Beautiful.